Hello friends, so hope you are good. So today we'll be seeing about a job vacancy. Now as I have already told, this is the channel where you'll get everything regarding UPSC. Everything means everything, and this everything also includes option B. So it was a promise from my side to give you multiple option B. So I have sorted out somewhere around 10 to 12 करीब 10 से 12 ऐसे जॉब्स हैं which UPSC students can qualify easily. So I think this is mainly for UPSC aspirants. ये 10 से 12 जॉब्स you can apply as an option B along with your UPSC preparation, and I'm sure you will be through this in no time. आपको बस थोड़ी सी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट लगानी है and you will surely get through this. So this is a good option. Seeing the dicey nature of prelims 2023, you would have seen क्वेश्चन काफ़ी रैंडम जैसे आने लगे हैं. तो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर चेंजिंग नेचर ऑफ प्रीलिम्स, आई थिंक यू शुड ऑलरेडी बी थिंकिंग अबाउट द ऑप्शन बी. स्पेशली अगर आपका सेकेंड या थर्ड अटेम्प्ट पार हो चुका है, देन ऑप्शन बी इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन. ये हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल है जहाँ पर आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा. यू कैन हेड टू दिस टेलीग्राम चैनल, आप इसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. दिस सीरीज विल बी कॉल्ड एज ऑप्शन बी सीरीज. हियर विल गेट मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस. अलग अलग जॉब्स आपको मिलेंगे जो आप एज एन ऑप्शन बी यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स. तो इसी सीरीज़ में हमारा पहला वैकेंसी अभी आ चुका है जिसके लिए एप्लीकेशन डेट्स ओपन हो चुकी हैं. तो मैं अभी आपको दिखाऊंगा कि ये पूरी वैकेंसी किस बारे में है. इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. इसमें आपको कुछ भी पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा. ओनली यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन विल सफाइस. सो दिस इज़ इनफ. आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं पढ़ना है. स्पेशली फॉर दोज जो अभी मेंस दिए हैं, आई एम श्योर उनकी प्रोडक्टिविटी काफ़ी कम होगी अभी. देन दे कैन गो फॉर दिस ऑप्शन. एग्ज़ाम्स मोस्ट प्रोबेबली फरवरी या मार्च में होंगे जहाँ तक मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है. तो उस अनुसार आप इस ऑप्शन को चेक कर सकते हैं और आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं पढ़ना है. सर्टेनली योर प्रिपरेशन विल बी एनहेंस्ड ओनली. तो आप देख सकते हैं दिस पोस्ट इज़ फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर. दिस इज द पोस्ट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर. द स्टार्टिंग डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन वॉज 2 January एंड द क्लोजिंग डेट इज़ 22 January. सो यू हैव अराउंड 20 days. In 20 days you can apply. Again we'll see about all the details later. The dates for the exam has not been notified yet, but most probably इसका एग्ज़ाम फरवरी या फिर मार्च में ही होगा. This is the vacancy distribution which you can see. So this is the vacancy distribution. Now there are many posts, like these are the posts for specialist cadre. Now again we have another vacancy for journalist cadre. So there are around 130 posts and there are 2 backlogs, so around 132 posts are there, which is a good enough post for journalist. Now anyone who does not belong to any of the above specialist cadres can definitely apply in this generalist cadre, and everybody is eligible. Now let's see the eligibility criteria for this. So here is the eligibility criteria for all the posts, especially the specialist posts like doctors, MBBS, legal, finance. Now here is the eligibility for generalist officer. If you can see, the only requirement is graduate and postgraduate in any stream, and when it says any stream means any stream, and the eligibility percentage is only 60%. So anybody having a graduation in any of the discipline only with 60% marks can apply. There is no other criteria. So I think everybody will be eligible because this is the criteria same for UPSC. So any UPSC aspirant can apply here. The age limit is 21 years to 30 years. Definitely 2 years lesser than UPSC, for which the age limit is 32 years. But again, it is a good enough opportunity for all those who are not yet 30. And of course, along with this, you will get some relaxation based on your criteria. Like for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, you will get 5 years. For OBC is 3 years. And with PWDs, you will get 10 years of relaxation and so on. So it is a good opportunity, especially for UPSC aspirants, as an option B. You can try it. Now if you head ahead, let's go to the next criteria which we need to see. Now these are the details that you can definitely study yourself. Now again, this is an important part where we see the selection procedure for the exam. Now again, it will be in 2 phases. First will be preliminary, that is preliminary test. Second will be mains. So similar lines as UPSC. Now if you see what is the syllabus for prelims, this is for prelims part. Now for prelims there will be 3 subjects: English, reasoning and quantitative aptitude. And again you will have 20 minutes each to solve the questions. There will be around 100 questions for 100 marks. Most probably there will be 1 mark for each question. So the pattern is more or less like CSET. So if you have been preparing seriously for CSET, you should definitely be able to sail this thing. Now if we go ahead and look at the other things, again this is the part for mains examination. It will also be online. Now see, for mains you will need these things. Now test of reasoning, same thing, English language, general awareness, computer knowledge, quantitative aptitude. Now if you see this, again the reasoning, English and quant is same as your CSAT paper. The only things need to study extra is computer. Again, computer is not a big thing. You will get all the materials in the Telegram channel, which is @logical aspirant. Again, the only subjects remaining is computer knowledge and the general awareness part. The general awareness is slightly difficult than UPSC. थोड़ा अलग रहता है ये जनरल अवेयरनेस, थोड़ा सा फैक्चुअल हो जाता है, बट अगेन दिस कैन बी डन स्मार्टली. And the next part is computer awareness. So everything can be covered. Again, you'll get all the resources in the Telegram channel, Logical Aspirant. You can just head to this. Here you'll get all the materials regarding all the 5 subjects, including English, reasoning, quant, and especially for computer and the GA part. So it will be slightly factual and slightly like UPSC. However, the pattern that IBPS is following these days is more or less aligning with UPSC. Questions थोड़े factual आते हैं, but they are trying to move it like UPSC pattern now, which are more conceptual and statement based. So again, you can apply. This is a good chance for UPSC aspirants. Now if we head next, again this is the criteria for specialist cadre. You can see specialist. So for specialist, they need to study this. One extra subject will be the specialist stream that you will be applying for. Now if we head next, again this is the fee that you will have to pay. So if you are SC, ST or PWD, you need to pay only rupees 250, and all the other candidates need to pay around 1000 rupees. So this is the fee that you need to pay to apply for this form. One more thing, all those who want to apply for both the specialist and the generalist cadre will not be allowed. You need to choose one of them. इसमें से किसी एक ही के लिए आप अप्लाई कर पाएंगे. So either you need to go for generalist stream or you need to go for specialist stream. It is strictly mentioned that you cannot apply in both these streams, else your form will be rejected. So apply in only one of them. Now if we go next, so these are the centers that will be provided. You can check it. These are all the centers. Now if we analyze, we can see that the pattern is similar to CSAT paper of UPSC. So I don't think there will be a big challenge here. Anyone who is preparing for UPSC would have definitely prepared for CSAT. जितने लोग भी CSAT के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, they can apply for this post. You can see here, this is Government of India undertaking. This is the institution that has come up with this vacancy. So you can definitely apply. It has got good number of 274 posts. So you can apply here. Now some important words. Anyone who is preparing CSAT, for that matter, anyone who prepares for UPSC prepares CSAT anyway. So I think you should apply for this NICL post. There is good 274 posts. So it is a good number of posts. Apart from that, as I told you, this is one of the starting videos for our series for option B, especially for UPSC aspirants. So anyone who is watching this video, especially if you are preparing for UPSC and otherwise also, बाकी लोग जो हैं जो UPSC के लिए नहीं भी prepare कर रहे हैं, even they can subscribe to this channel so that you will get all the job postings here. And especially those who are preparing for UPSC, they can check it for option B. Moreover, if you see, ये Telegram channel है जिसमें I'll be giving various options. Here you'll get everything related to UPSC. Everything means everything, including all the job opportunities that you can apply as an option B. Apart from this, you will also get multiple other things like all the resources. All the resources are available here. I'll be providing it in some time. Again, you'll get some value added materials which will enhance your preparation. जैसे कि मैंने अभी ऑलरेडी डाला हुआ है, all constitutional bodies in one PDF. Again, all statutory bodies in one PDF. You can find it there in the channel. Also, I keep posting about different jobs. Now again, it is not possible to make a video for every job, but there are some jobs for which short notifications or even detailed notifications come, जिसके लिए वीडियो बनाना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता. Then I post these jobs in this Telegram channel. So you can definitely head to this Telegram channel where you'll get everything. And when I say everything, you'll get everything related to UPSC, from prelims to mains to interview to your option B, everything. So you should definitely join this channel and do subscribe to this channel. Okay, now let's head to the new vacancy now.